I'm not gonna lie, today's mod on our 240SX giveaway car has me pretty nervous. I've never done this before, and it's a pretty challenging mod to turn out right and look good, and it's in a super obvious spot on the car that gets attention. So I'm a little worried. On top of it, it's kind of a controversial mod. A lot of people are gonna say they love it. A lot of people are gonna say it ruined the car. But I did a little poll on Instagram about it, and most people voted for this mod. So let me know below what you think when it's done. Keep your fingers crossed for me that we don't blow it on this install, but we need more flames. So today we are facing our screamer pipe or our wastegate dump tube out of the hood. So as you can see, the hood doesn't have a hole in it. It won't close like this. But what was actually happening before, when I bought the car, this was turned down here and was just blasting on the brake lines down there, if you can see. Obviously you don't want to shoot flames at your brake lines, and when your wastegate opens up, it shoots flames. And that's why it's so awesome to have it coming out of the hood, because it looks sick when you're two-stepping. We're gonna two-step this thing. So the trick with this install is going to be making it tasteful and clean so that it doesn't look ridiculous coming out of the hood and kind of flies under the radar. I basically want it to come through the hood just a small amount. And I want it to really just follow the angle of the hood when it comes through, rather than like just a stack blasting out. So if you look here, basically it's way too high, and we need to cut it just slightly above both fenders at an angle of the fenders. And then once it's basically short and where it will be coming through the hood, we'll be able to trim this crossbeam out and mark on the hood where it's going to come through at, so that we can drill a hole. And then since it's coming through at an angle, we're probably going to have to oval the hole out a little bit so that the pipe can come up through it as the hood closes at an angle. Hopefully you like external wastegates and hood dumps, because that's where we're going. Wish me luck. Oh yeah, and if you're new to this channel, hit that subscribe button. If you like this video, hit this like button, because when we are done with this project, we are giving this 240SX away. I know, a lot of people have done it, but ours is a little bit different because this is a driver's car. It's one you can maintain, you can have fun in, you can go take it and shred some canyons, go to some local drift events, go to some local car meets, and afford to have fun in with not a lot of maintenance, but all the goodies you'd want in a 240SX. Soon we'll be announcing how you can enter to win it, so stay tuned. First step is to remove our dump tube and then cut it on these marks that I made, indicating the angle and height that we want. Oh, thank God. Ezra and Ricky showed up.
What's up, guys?
Ready to work. Ricky, show them how we're gonna cut it. The hood.
With the bandsaw, of course. I mean,
solid strategy.
what we're gonna do here is we're gonna disassemble this here bandsaw, and we're gonna get it slide through the hood. And then at that point, we're gonna be able to
just like this.
Yeah, just like that. We're gonna start with a small hole, disconnect the blade. We're gonna be able to pop it through, and we're gonna just start there. We'll just get a little circle in it.
Okay, I'm stressed.
Watch your hand,
Just
dude.
making sure it's tight enough.
Gosh.
Dramatic.
George.
Oh, you missed the line. Great. Now
Nice stuff.
now the V-band's ruined.
Nope. Perfect.
Thank God Ezra was here and thought of a vice.
No, that is a clean. That is clean.
Oh, baby.
You should just take a grinder.
Way better than the grinder wheel.
They're mean. You know, you put something just basic.
You can trim off a little. You can trim off a little piece if you want.
It's alright, yeah.
Ricky messed up the angle. No, just kidding. I think it's sick, dude.
Stamp it, dude.
Yeah, I think it looks good, dude.
We'll see when the hood's closed.
Put some Supertuner around there or something.
Woo.
Put a little Supertuner on
We'll
there.
write it on there in Sharpie.
You know, this here is, unfortunately, Jordan's come a long way, you know.
My baby blanket?
This is his baby blanket, and he's willing to donate it to the project. We're really excited that Jordan is really going 110 with all of this, you know.
All in the name of keeping the metal shavings out.
And it's Supertuner clean, you know.
Oh, freaking battery.
Should have thought about that before
He's
you
a
started.
son of a-
I just
No?
clogged it down. Is that just blasting you?
No.
You want some
No.
glasses?
Huh?
You want some glasses?
Yeah, of course.
Sure. I mean, honestly.
You ready, dog?
Yeah, of course we're ready.
Oh my gosh.
Are you ready? That's the question.
I'm not ready.
Steady hand.
I'm not ready, dude. Oh, wait. Bro, just wait. We're not gonna do this.
You have a hammer?
Oh, yeah, you want this one. Okay. Where's McDonald's, bro?
Yeah, you're gonna need those.
Move your head.
No turning back. Oh, gosh.
Man.
I know. The deed is done. Obviously, it's too short though. It doesn't come out of the hood. So I'm gonna have to cut this. I'm gonna have to oval this out so that the pipe will come up through the hood and then extend our wastegate dump up like 1/2 inch. Give us a tour.
Alright, let's see it.
So what we got going on here is our Dirt Nasty Low SR20 here hot rod, and as you can see here, we've cut here the pipe. That first cut was a little bit off, but as you can see, we got to here fine tune their weld that Jordan put on there. As you lift up the hood, you can see it's a perfect fit. Initially, it looks.
Do it again. Do it
It
again.
looked kind of high, but come to find out it was a little bit low.
Snug.
Just like the car itself, low and dirty.
Just gotta clean up a little bit here. Do some sanding. Get rid of some burrs. Ricky got all polished for us. Check it out.
Ooh,
Honestly, that was just stressful.
it's looking mean.
That was too stressful.
You
I don't
think?
want to do that again.
You say that about everything, though. Look how mean it looks. It's tough.
It's good. Maybe I say this about every install, like Ricky just said, but that one was stressful. But with the help of these guys, luckily, Ezra, Ricky, thank you.
Yeah, no problem, you know.
We got it in. Comment below what you think about the blast pipe through the hood, the wastegate dump. I think it turned out pretty sick. It's kind of subtle, simple. We'll see how it looks when the whole car is wrapped and done. Stay tuned. We will be announcing soon how you can enter to win the 240 project car.
Woo-hoo.